Air raid alert issued across all of Ukraine as Russian MiG-31K takes to the sky. Air raid alerts have been sounded across the entirety of Ukraine on Wednesday, warning the population of a missile hazard. Warning: all of Ukraine is a missile hazard, the Ukrainian Air Force said. MiG-31K take off from Savazlivka airfield. Do not ignore the air alert. The Russian MiG-31K is a variant of the MiG-31. A supersonic interceptor aircraft that has been part of the Russian military's arsenal since the 1980s. The MiG-31K is notable for its adaptation to carry the Kh-47M2 Kinzhal, a nuclear-capable air-launched ballistic missile. This modification enhances the aircraft's strategic capabilities, allowing it to engage a variety of targets, including naval vessels, fortifications, and other ground targets, from considerable distances. The Kinzhal missile reportedly has a range of up to 2,000 kilometers and can reach speeds of Mach 10. The integration of this missile system with the MiG-31K represents a significant development in Russia's military technology, providing them with a rapid response capability and increasing their strategic reach. It also underscores Russia's ongoing efforts to modernize its military and develop new technologies to maintain its strategic posture on the global stage.